I genuinely cracked the code to building real financial freedom, not through some fleeting online trend, but with actual bricks and mortar. I used to scroll endlessly, seeing others achieve massive success in real estate investment, feeling completely stuck and overwhelmed. My initial foray felt like deciphering ancient texts. Those deal analysis spreadsheets were pure intimidation. Then a pivotal moment. I connected with a seasoned investor, someone who'd been in the trenches. He didn't just preach, he shared his real-life case studies, his wins and his near misses. He lived by the BRRRR strategy: buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. He hammered home how critical detailed cash flow calculations were, not just optimistic guesses. He'd say, maximize your daily efforts by becoming a detective for undervalued properties, the ones others overlook. My first BRRRR was a beaten-up house, the kind most people would run from. The rehab journey was intense, filled with those common obstacles you hear about: surprise electrical issues, budget overruns. There were days I seriously questioned my sanity, but I clung to his insights, focusing on the numbers, the potential for that property to generate income. That first rent payment hitting my account, and then successfully refinancing to pull my initial capital out to reinvest, it was more than just money. It was the realization that overcoming these common investment journey hurdles and building a diverse portfolio isn't magic. It's a direct result of consistent, focused effort and solid strategy, something anyone can learn.